Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll be exploring the top 10 Scratch projects that every kid should try to kickstart their coding journey. Whether you are a beginner or already having some coding experience, these projects are fun, educational, and perfect for fostering creativity. So, let's dive in.
Imagine making your name come to life with some cool colors and amazing effects. It's like magic. So, let's learn how to code and have a blast at the same time. So, here we can see one project. So, let's dive into it. Animated project about Mr. Griffith. So, let's try to run this. So, when I click on green flag, and I click one by one all the alphabets, it is showing different effects and different sounds. That's really cool, isn't it? So let's just quickly dive into the code. So here we can see they have added all the different alphabets. When this sprite is clicked, we can change the color effect, we can add some sounds, we can turn them, move them in different directions, we can add different sounds, change the size by 10 and again reset it to -10. So it will just expand and then contract. So here we can see it is moving in the x-axis, right? So here is the code for that. So here we are just changing it into mirror image. And here we are again changing the size. Let's see one more. So here I can see one more project related to animated names. So same way, Samantha. So isn't it awesome? You can write all the letters and you can just change it. You can go to sprites, add your letters from here. You can add anything from here. So this block style, here it is glow style, and third one is story style. So you can take anything from here and then add some kind of music or some kind of movement in that. Now let's go to project number 2, that is of a virtual pet. So how cool would it be to create your own virtual pet? You can feed it, you can play with it and teach it tricks. You will learn some coding tricks too. So like using variables, making your pet do your fun stuff. So this is one project that we have made. So here we can see the hunger variable is used, and whenever time is passing, the hunger is increasing. The same way we experience hunger, right? So when we click on this fruit platter, it is eating it, right? And each time it is eating it, the hunger is reducing by 1 point. And let's try to tap him. Okay, it's giving some nice chirping sound and it's flapping its wings. So you can see the code here in short. So I will share the links of all these projects so that you can have a look through the code and try it on your own. So when the green flag is clicked, we are giving a welcome note like my name is Buddy for 2 seconds, and when this sprite is clicked, we are adding some sound and we are changing the costumes with the wait of 0.2 seconds. Okay, so that is why it is flapping its wings. We are setting hunger to 0 and after 5 seconds we are changing it by 1. And when we receive food, we are starting the sound of chomp and we'll glide to that position and come back. and when the sprite is clicked, that is the food platter is clicked, we are sending this broadcast message of food. So this is one nice game you can try. We can see some different variations done by our fellow scratchers, so let's try to check what others have done as well. So this is a cute hamster pet. Let's try to run that. Let's try to click on this water. Oh, wow, it's drinking the water. So cute. Let's try to click on the almond. Oh, awesome. Let's try to click on some music. Wow, it's dancing. It's sleeping, taking the cake and sleeping. Now let's try to click on the wheel. Wow, that's so sweet. So you can just try these games and I'll share all the links. You can check them, remix them, whatever you like. So this is a virtual game for a dog. So it's asking his name. I'll say puppy. So let's try to feed him. Eating, right? If you're feeding him. Time for some exercise. It's jumping. Playtime. It's playing with the ball. Sleep time. Wow, isn't it awesome? Now, project number 3. So first up, we have the animated greeting card. Imagine making a magical card with animations and giving a surprise message. It's like sending digital hugs and smiles. So let's try to run this. So we have already done this project in our previous videos. I will share the link in the I button. So here's the Teachers' Day project. You can click. Ideas for this and get creative as much as you can. So let's try to see this code. It's changing to different costumes here. Like we have the closed image and the open image, and we are trying to open it when it is clicked. So whenever this sprite is clicked, we are switching the costume and we are starting the sound and this heart face. So for the heart face, let's see the code. So whenever we receive the open greeting card, it will just change its color and come to the front end. So it's so beautiful. Let's try to see what fellow scratchers have done so that we have some idea about the variation. So this is happy birthday project. That's really cute. What is for Christmas? So this one's for Christmas. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. As a variation, you can add Christmas songs over here. I will share these links of all these projects in the description. So this is a simple Happy Father's Day project. So here we have added all the letters and then these letters are dancing. We are just turning them in the repeat. Okay, so you can try this way also of creating projects. And this one also we have already created in our channel, so I'll share the link of this in this. So here we are clicking on each flower and it's giving a message. So each flower, it's giving a beautiful message. We can use these sprites as a slideshow, and whenever these sprites are clicked, we can add a message. Now, project number 4 is Minimaze. So you can get creative and design your own maze game. You'll make your own levels, add tricky puzzles, and even create your own character. It's all about planning and strategy, and it's a total adventure. So here we have already done this game. I will share the link of this video as well in the description. So here this is the easier version of the game. So here we just need to reach till this donut. And we have won. So let's see what fellow scratchers have done. This is one game by AI Swigard. So let's try to run this. This is another level of maze. So you can see here we need to solve this maze. This is a bit difficult one. We need to reach till the apple. That's really cool, right? So whenever I am hitting an obstacle, it is not going further. I think we have gone. Yay! Now it's coming to the next level. Okay, so you can try these kind of games, these basic ideas. Now this is a 3D maze. This is quite cool. So I can't believe this is in Scratch. But this is definitely not a beginner level game, but you can just check it out, like what level you can achieve using Scratch. Now project number 5. So are you into music and make your own virtual band with different instruments? You'll learn how to make them play together and create amazing tunes. It's like being a rock star coder. So let's try to run this one. So this is the stage and we have this drum, different drums. So let's try to see what is the code. So we have these all drum kits and different types of drums and tabla and guitar. So whenever these sprites are clicked, we have added that particular sound. So we have the sound of electric guitar. For this one we have the sound of drum. So most of these sounds will be available over here. So let's see. Okay, you can see electric piano, electric bass. So all these sounds are already available. You just need to add them when those sprites are clicked. And we can add this background of stage from these backdrops. So if you go here, you can use this concert background. Let us see some variations as well. So this one is quite cute, you can see. This is the piano. And when I click on the singer, is added this singer sound as well. Beautiful. This one is by Pink Mushroom. Let's quickly see one more example. So here this is the stage. We're clicking on drum, piano, guitar, and these two singers. Awesome, isn't it? So definitely try this one out.
So there you have it. The first 5 Scratch projects to kickstart your coding journey with a bang. We are thrilled to see your excitement. If you enjoyed these projects, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us a big thumbs up. Thanks for joining us in this coding adventure, and we'll be back soon with part 2 to explore the next set of amazing Scratch projects. Stay tuned and keep coding.